We're actually printing another rubber band powered car, or at least the brackets that will allow me to use knitting needles for the chassis and CDs for the wheels. And the camera, security camera, is actually up here, just here. I had rather hoped to be able to use the infrared night vision on it, but I don't seem to be able to get the infrared LEDs to turn on. They're not on at the moment. In fact, that's a good chance to try it. I'll just see if I can switch them on remotely, but I have to go out of video for that. Right, I pressed the button that's supposed to switch the infrared lights on, and that's not happening. We would be able to see it on camera. I have already written to the supplier. I don't expect to get a reply. It's one of the Chinese suppliers on eBay. But I thought I'd at least ask. Probably end up taking it apart and having a look. Hi guys. Just toying around with this security camera that I've set up to keep an eye on my 3D printing. I've just changed the location of the camera. And, well, I think we can see all I need to see. If I move it closer for more detail, it actually loses focus. So, at the moment, this looks like about the right distance. Unfortunately, I'm printing black on a black build plate, so you really can't see it very well anyway. And I've got it illuminated by a single spotlight. If I put the main light on, it doesn't make much difference. So we'll leave it like that. At the moment I don't have a memory card in the security camera. I did put one in there and it was crashing occasionally, so I don't think it liked the particular memory card that I put in there. So I might try a different one. Just to demonstrate, when I switch it to infrared, you can see it goes black and white in the video. So the camera is clearly set up to record infrared. We just haven't got any infrared lighting at the moment. It's the ordinary spotlight that's lighting it up. I'll just switch it out of infrared. There you go, we're back to full colour. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.